my channel. My name is Tanya. You can find me online as VolverVintage. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Poshmark, Depop, Etsy. And today's video, I'm going to break down the results of my video posting challenge. I did participate in Vlogtober. I have done Vlogmas in the past, and I want to give you a little insight into the reasons why I do these video challenges, how they help grow my channel, exactly how many followers I gained, and how you can incorporate these strategies into your YouTube content to hopefully grow your channel. So if you're interested in learning my tips and tricks, go ahead and hit like and subscribe and just keep watching. So a little background into my channel specifically. I have been on YouTube for almost 4 years. I started my channel in 2019, but honestly, I don't count it until 2021 because 2019 I posted my first video and I was like, I can't do this, you know? I was like, my first video, I'm gonna link it above. It's like horrible. I don't even speak in it. I don't think so. And I kind of like gave up after that. Then in 2020, I started posting again, but then COVID happened and I kind of just like gave up and stopped creating content. So I want to say that I started again in January of 2021. So it's been almost 2 years of like somewhat consistent because I do go through phases. I don't post every day. I've tried to stick to 2 videos per week, but there are times in my life where I just don't get videos up. So there are like peaks and valleys to my journey. If you have hit a wall in subscribers, like if you're just like at a plateau where you don't know what to do anymore, I think this strategy might help you. So a vlogging video challenge, what are they? Most commonly, they're like the most popular ones are Vlogtober and Vlogmas. And really there are no rules to these challenges. I mean, Vlogtober is 31 days, October obviously, and it can really be anything you want. Like there are no rules. You can make up the rules and gear them towards your content and towards your channel as you see fit. Vlogmas, obviously it's like Christmas themed, it's winter themed. You don't necessarily have to do like a decorate my tree with me, but it is an idea. If you want to throw it out there, you can tailor it to your content. So I'm a part-time reseller, obviously maybe like thrifting Christmas gifts in addition to just a regular thrift with me, in addition to a ship with me. So I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks, like a list of ideas, but let's first get into the analytics. I'm a very small channel. I'm not even at 1,000 yet. As of today, I'm at 998 subscribers, almost at 1,000. But before I started the challenge, I was at 840, I believe. And I was kind of just like stuck there. So this is definitely a challenge for you if you like see the light at the end of the tunnel and just want to jump over the hoop and get as close as you can to 1,000. So for Vlogtober, and this is in October 2022, so I gained a total of 119 subscribers during my challenge. That's excellent. That's 91 more followers than usual. Usually I only gain about 28 followers a month. So as you can see, that's like triple, quadruple the amount of followers I usually get. I had a total of 347 watch hours, which is 207 more than usual. Usually I only get about 107 hours per month. I had 5.4 thousand views, which is 2.7 thousand more than usual. And then I really love going into the analytics because it will break down things further for your channel and it gives you the times that you have peak views. So the peak views for me are between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. So again, I'm very happy with those numbers because again, I was at 840. I felt like I had hit a wall, like I wasn't gaining any more followers. I was just kind of stuck at 840. So doing Vlogtober really helped me shoot up to almost 1,000. I'm only 2 subscribers away from 1,000. So some tips and tricks for your video challenge. Again, it doesn't necessarily have to be a vlogging challenge. Again, you can incorporate whatever it is that you target your content around. So if you're doing sports, maybe a countdown to a championship, maybe a countdown to spring training or whatever training your team does, you know? You can make it however long or however short you want. Again, a month-long challenge is going to give you the most analytics and the most time for you to grow. Whereas if you only do a week challenge, it might shoot you up a little bit, but if you kept that going for 2 or 3 weeks, think about the growth that you could potentially have. So I would encourage you with at least a 10-day challenge, and obviously no more than a month, because you might experience some burnout at that point. Like after 30 days, I was like ready to finish my challenge. So some tips and tricks would be obviously to create a graphic, an intro graphic. This is the one I created for Vlogtober, and I did it on Canva. It was absolutely free. It's about like a 2-second intro clip, and I just use it as a template every single day. So first thing I would do is upload my intro, and then tip number 2 would be to download an intro song, obviously royalty-free music. This is what I use. I use audio libraries, but you can also just search on YouTube for copyright-free music. So select a theme song, and that'll be kind of like your intro, and it'll create consistency and link all your videos together. So first, your graphic and your signature song. Tip number 3 would be to create a playlist. So obviously if you're doing Vlogtober 2023, then create a playlist for Vlogtober 2023, and every time you add a video, add it to your playlist. Tip number 4, to use an end screen. This is the end screen that I use, which is 1 subscriber and 1 playlist. Link your playlist at the end. So once your video ends, at the very end of your video, it creates a playlist, and it allows the viewer to select that playlist, and they can watch the rest of your content. So if they join it in the middle of your Vlogtober challenge, if you're at video 15, once your viewer selects that playlist, they will watch 15 of the videos that you've uploaded. The next tip would be to add another playlist into your videos. So always create playlists. So I have a playlist called About Me, where I have like different types of videos that I do, and I would link that playlist inside my channel in every single vlog that I did. So if they don't select the playlist at the end of the video, they might select the playlist in the middle of the video, and that will take them to another playlist of videos that they can hopefully start watching and, you know, subscribe that way. And before getting started, I would definitely create a list of content that you're interested in. So whether it's going to be a 10-day challenge or a 30-day challenge, do a list of 10 ideas or a list of 30 ideas, however long your challenge is going to be, just to, you know, start jogging your creativity. So even if it's not necessarily like reseller related, maybe it's like get ready for my holiday party. If you're doing a Vlogmas challenge, maybe get ready for a holiday party, maybe shopping my inventory for my Christmas outfit, things like that. So think outside of the box. It doesn't necessarily have to be like a thrift with me. It doesn't necessarily have to be a, you know, gift wrapping thing. Maybe it's like thrifting gifts for your family. And on the days that you're feeling burnt out or you just don't have an idea, then go on camera and film a check-in video. What are you feeling? Maybe you are feeling burnt out or you need a break. Just go on camera and say that. Film a little 1-minute video to hold your place. Or even if you don't want to do that, then just do a video, maybe a preview of what's coming on tomorrow. Like, I'm so excited for tomorrow. I'm doing a thrift haul video, blah, 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 blah. Just to hold your place, right? To keep your momentum going. So that little 1-minute check-in alongside with your intro clip and with your music, that is a video in itself. If you don't get anything up, don't feel discouraged. Just keep going. Skip number 10, move on to number 11. Like, don't even look back, just keep going ahead. So that's it for this video. I hope you found something useful for a video posting challenge that best fits your needs. Again, there are no rules. You can create your own challenge. You can create your own content. At the end of the day, I think these challenges give a glimpse into your life, into your everyday life. That's really what brings in your viewers. People subscribe to you. People want to know more about you, about what you do day to day. So I would just invite you to create a list of potential ideas that you could film, and then just get a calendar out and jot them each day. The sooner you plan ahead, the easier that it will be. Just go in it having fun, and I guarantee you people will see your authentic self and want to tune in and subscribe, and hopefully it will get you over that hump and towards your first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.